Welcome to Excellent English Course, your partner to be excellent in English. Top 100 Common English Phrases, 100 frasa umum bahasa Inggris. I will just leave it here. I will just leave it here. Aku akan meninggalkannya di sini. Can you guess my name? Can you guess my name? Apakah kamu bisa menebak namaku? What do you like to do when it rains? What do you like to do when it rains? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika hujan? Do you believe in karma? Do you believe in karma? Apakah kamu percaya karma? What's your religion? What's your religion? Apa agamamu? Could you find a way for that issue? Could you find a way for that issue? Apakah kamu bisa mencari jalan untuk masalah itu? It would be a great learning experience. It would be a great learning experience. Akan menjadi pengalaman belajar yang menyenangkan. What's your location? What's your location? Di mana lokasimu? Your baby is really cute. Your baby is really cute. Bayimu sangat lucu. Her voice sounds so beautiful and smoothing. Her voice sounds so beautiful and smoothing. Suaranya terdengar amat indah dan menyenangkan. Why is breakfast so important? Why is breakfast so important? Mengapa sarapan penting? It would be great to have you with us. It would be great to have you with us. Akan lebih bagus bila kamu bersama dengan kami. You are free. You are free. Kamu bebas. How do you know if you're pregnant? How do you know if you're pregnant? Bagaimana cara untuk tahu jika kamu hamil? I thought you were different. I thought you were different. Saya kira kamu berbeda. What time is considered evening? What time is considered evening? Jam berapa mulai disebut petang? Thank you very much for your hospitality. Thank you very much for your hospitality. Terima kasih banyak atas keramahan Anda. I'm sorry for canceling the event. I'm sorry for canceling the event. Saya meminta maaf telah membatalkan acaranya. I'm sorry for giving you trouble. I'm sorry for giving you trouble. Saya minta maaf telah membuat kamu bermasalah. I work 10 hours a day. I work 10 hours a day. Aku bekerja 10 jam setiap hari. Do you believe that knowledge is power? Do you believe that knowledge is power? Apakah kamu percaya pengetahuan adalah kekuatan? Thanks for your quick response. Thanks for your quick response. Terima kasih atas balasan cepatnya. I do apologize for my mistake. I do apologize for my mistake. Saya meminta maaf atas kesalahan saya. Thanks for making it happen. Thanks for making it happen. Terima kasih sudah membuatnya terjadi. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Saya hampir mati. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.